In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Outlook attachments not showing, step by step, using Outlook's built-in settings. This is a common issue that can be really frustrating, especially when you know someone sent you a file, but you just can't see it in the email. The good news is, this is usually a simple setting that just needs to be turned back on. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and how to fix it in under a few minutes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Outlook and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once Outlook is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Settings gear icon. This will open a quick settings panel. From here, don't stop yet. Scroll down and click on the option that says View All Outlook Settings. This opens the full settings menu where we can access more detailed options. Next, in the full settings window, select the Mail tab. Under Mail, look for the section called Layout and click on it. This area controls how your emails are displayed, including how attachments appear. Once you're in the Layout tab, look through the options and find the section related to inline previews. Depending on your Outlook version, you may need to scroll a bit. Here, you'll see an option called Show Attachments in Message List. This setting is the key to fixing the issue. Make sure this option is checked or enabled. If it's turned off, Outlook will hide attachments from view, even though they're actually still there. After enabling this option, your attachments should immediately start showing up in your emails. However, in some cases, Outlook may need a quick refresh. If you still don't see attachments, close Outlook completely. Make sure the app is fully closed and not running in the background, then reopen it and check your emails again. This refresh usually resolves the issue right away. And that's it. You've now fixed the problem of Outlook attachments not showing by adjusting a simple layout setting. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Outlook tips, troubleshooting guides, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.